Hey guys, today we are going to discussing about the topic set theory. So set theory is a branch of mathematical logic that deals with the study of sets, which are collection of objects. These objects can be anything like numbers, letters, people, etc. Set theory is foundational to mathematics and is used to define many mathematical logical concepts. So set theory is like a way of talking about collections of things in math. These collections called sets. Sets can having anything in them numbers, letters, people or whatever. The cool thing about sets is that they are considered as one thing on their own, even though they are made up of lots of other things. And in mathematics, sets are super important because they help us define lots of other concepts. The next types of set. There are so many kinds of types of sets. First of all, empty set. It is a set that containing no element. Then singleton set or unit set, which means a set containing only one element. Then finite set, a set containing a countable number of elements. Then infinite set, a set with an uncountable number of elements. Then equivalent set, set with the same cardinality. Then equal set, set containing exactly same elements. Then unequal set, sets with at least one different element. Then overlapping set, set with at least one common element. Then disjoint set, set with no common element. Then subset, a set where all elements are also members of another set. Then power set, the set containing all the possible subset of given set. The universal set, a set containing all the elements related to a particular subject. The next, set operation. There are different types of set operations. First one is curly braces, which means a set. Then A intersection B. Intersection means object that belongs to set A and set B. Then A union B. A union means objects that belong to set A or B. Then subset. A is a subset of B. Set A is included in set B. Then not a subset. Set A is not a subset of set B. Then such that used to write rules in set theory. Then equality A equal to B. Set A is equal to set B. Then complement A complement. All the objects that do not belong to set A. Then A minus B or a relative complement. Objects that belong to A and not to B. Then a symmetric difference. Symmetric difference means objects that belong to A or B but not to their intersection. Then A is an element of A, which means element. The next, Venn diagram. A Venn diagram is a visual representation that uses overlapping circles to show the relationships between different sets, illustrating their similarities and differences. Each circle represents a set, and the overlapping areas show many elements that are common to those sets. They are widely used in mathematics, logics, and teaching to simplify and compare data, often including a rectangle to represent the universal set containing all possible elements, which means so a Venn diagram is like a cool way to compare stuff using circles. Each circle represents a group of things like fruits, animals, where the circles overlap. It shows what things are common between those groups, and where they don't overlap it shows what's different. We use this in mathematics and logics to make comparing data super easy. Sometimes we even draw a big rectangle around everything to show all the possibilities. The next, Cartesian product. A Cartesian product combines two or more sets by creating a new set of all possible ordered pair, where the first element comes from the first set and second element comes from the second set. For set A and set B, the product is denoted as A times a B and contains every possible ordered pair. These are the examples. So here we are saying about Cartesian product. So imagine you have got two sets, let's say set A and set B. The Cartesian product of A and B, written as A cross B, is like making pair of elements where the first part of the pair comes from set A and the second part comes from the set B. You'll get all possible combination like that. For example, if A equal to set 1 comma 2 and B equal to x comma y, then A cross B would be set 1 comma x 1 comma y 2 comma x 2 comma y. Power set. A power set is a set of all possible subset of a given set, including the empty set and the set itself, which means so a power set is like a collection of all possible groups you can make from a given set. It includes the empty group and the set itself. If you have got set with n things in it, then the power set will have to be 2 raised to n different groups in it. For example, if we take a set like A equal to x comma y, then its power set will be P of A has this group. The next properties of set. There are different properties of set. First of all, commutative property. Swapping sets in union or intersection doesn't change the result, like A union B equal to B union A and A intersection B equal to B intersection A. Then associative property, which means grouping sets differently in union or intersection doesn't change the result, like A union B union C equal to A union B union C. The next distributive property, like disturbing in algebra. Then identity property, union with an empty set does nothing, and intersection with the universal set does nothing. Then complementary property, a set union its complement is the universal set, like A union A complement equal to union. And then idempotent property, doing the operation with itself gives the same set, like A union A equal to A and A intersection A equal to A. Thank you.